Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will assist you in understanding the risk control at exit features and their impact on backtesting results. Risk control at exit refers to a functionality that comprehensively considers market dynamics, target profits, and potential losses. It encompasses three key elements: take profit, stop loss, and time in the market. Take profit entails establishing a target profit level. Once the market reaches or exceeds this level, it prompts the trade to exit, securing profits. Conversely, stop loss curtails potential losses in the trade. Time in the market, on the other hand, is defined by setting a specific time limit to govern the duration of funds remaining in the market. For example, when you set risk control at exit as the exit criterion and choose to exclusively utilize risk control in the exit criteria, while incorporating any one or a combination of take profit, stop loss, and time in the market, triggering an exit trade will occur as soon as any of these conditions are met. Now, let's move on to the form section. Find the backtest for which you want to set the risk control at exit and click on the Edit Backtest icon to modify the parameters. In the Parameter Settings interface, locate the Risk Control at Exit option. In creating a backtest, the default exit condition uses the time in market setting within Risk Control at Exit set to 20, and you can also check and fill in the other two conditions if desired. Now, let's select Take Profit 25% and Stop Loss 10% while unselecting Time in Market. Next, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's compare the results with the backtest where only the time in market is set to 20. These two backtests have the same parameters. Upon closer examination of the summary data, it becomes evident that selecting different conditions in the backtest based on risk control at exit leads to variations in the relevant data. When analyzing individual trades, as we set take profit to 25% and stop loss to 10% as exit conditions, triggering an exit signal whenever either condition is met, you can review the exit reasons and trade return percent data. It's important to note that, due to the default setting of a 0.1% commission in the backtest, there are transaction costs upon entering and exiting the market. Therefore, when the trade return is 24.74%, it still satisfies the 25% profit condition. Therefore, based on your trading strategy and trading conditions, you can choose whether to use and set the appropriate risk control at exit. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on how to grasp and utilize the risk control at exit feature. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.